Are you this not so proud owner of regrettable ink? Or you want just to help somebody to get rid of their bad done work and make it the greatest one? So that's how, welcome to our club. So today we are going to discuss two major questions, and it's actually how many artists in the world, there are so many opinions. So let's make it easy explanation and simply to understand that there are only in the world two solutions, laser one and non-laser for tattoo removal. So step by step, there one which is non-laser solutions. And why it's widely known and so famous and everybody can afford it? Yes, definitely, because everybody can afford it. So simply saying, you need just a machine with a needle, you use the cream. What is that cream? There are many solutions about that, but the main ingredients of first solutions are either the salt, either the oxide, zinc. There is nothing else exists. So there are many names, there are many brands, but their solution is one. So how it works? We just simply open the wound by machine needle. So, and we place the salt, or let's say oxide, inside. Definitely the pigment which we implanted before that, it mixes together and lift it up. That's how we removed. Yes, it will be like probably some kind of scars, as unfortunately well-known solutions are causing the permanent scarring about that. Definitely depends what kind of solution and how professional master works with that. So today we are gonna anyway to conclude what's the best solution, what's the best way to act wisely, to act without causing any scars, and what's really going on in this industry about it. So definitely the solutions are well because they can recognize all colors of tattoo. There are different colors of tattoos can be, right? So where laser cannot recognize, cannot see the yellowish pigments, they cannot see the sometimes even some red ones, so green ones, orange ones. So that's how we'll explain later why the laser tattoo till now so famous and many professional masters worldwide resort to it, rather than alternative solution as cheaper one in purchasing product as base salt, base zinc and oxide solutions, non-laser ones. So look, for the laser solution requires a capital investment, which is a barrier to entry any businesses, which is definitely so for any masters or the new shop. So, and due to this fact, they resort to alternative way to act through the skin removal as a solution as non-laser. Though if you act professionally, if you're a professional master, definitely you will not, and you follow the protocol, and aftercare are followed by your guest, by your clients. Definitely with a laser there is no scars risk. Why? That's very easy, because the laser is targeting the ink itself, doesn't act through the skin machine as we do with the solution of the unfortunately non-laser solutions. So how many sessions required? The frequently asked question. So definitely depends case to case. Which factors depend on how much ink deep was implanted? And there is a very interesting note which I paid attention with the experience, that if it was done by amateur tattooists and it was like traumatic work, so it's much less sessions would require to remove it much easier, rather than professional, because when you act professionally, so your definitely ink will be like often feature dense, and due to like it will be deeply placed, let's say, so the right place, so it will be more difficult, more sessions required to get it, definitely. So let's conclude what we so far know about. So laser not recognize all colors, rather if it was done professionally, so it will not be any scars, because the energy of the laser not targeted the skin, targeted the dermis rather than the non-laser solutions. So though there are any kind of non-laser solutions are quite good because they can see all colors. They can break the components of pigment and any let's say any size of it. So particle, of course, particle size of pigments. So and though it can cause the permanent scars, especially when you act more than, let's say, 2-3 times, and pigment was so much, and more the clients did before their sessions of implanting pigment of tattoos, it will be definitely much more difficult to remove it. But everything is possible, everything is removable, just what's the best solution of it. So my personal conclusion from the experience of my works, that definitely the best solution is only one. In order not to create any scars, in order to remove any color, and the most important, we need to do the professional work after that. Just remember, when we create the scar, it unfortunately forms in dermis. Whenever it's formed in dermis, it's difficult to remove by the laser, because laser just will not recognize the pigment inside. It will be covered with the in 50% of the cases, laser cannot see the pigments because of the scars. And due to this fact, the best solution is to act first with a laser, to break the pigment, which will lift it up a bit, and then you can quickly remove with the solution. You will assist the skin. It's less a risk of the scars reaction. So if you need to require one more session, you can use the same as non-solution or the laser. You need to check which the colors still have. The laser is amazing working with the black colors. Definitely the black colors is the first color which laser recognize, and the works are amazing after that. So I hope I was useful enough for you, and stay in touch with us. So subscribe our channel, you will get much more useful information. And by the way, so we are gonna have very soon the raffle event, so you will be updated in our social medias. Thank you, bye bye.